Hi everybody, my name is Tommy and today I'm going to be your substitute physics teacher. And today I'm going to talk about global warming. Do you know what is global warming? It's kind of like a globe warming up. So you might think it as a globe. You take it off its hinges, put it in a frying pan, set up the frying pan to full heat, and wait for the wooden globe to melt into ash, right? Well, actually not. Global is our Earth, and warming is our Earth warming up. That makes into global warming, Earth warming up. Okay, around the world, there have been newspaper articles about take action and be ready to face the worst of global warming. There are local vicars and even pilots in it saying act now, act now. And governments are reinforcing each other so that they could do a better job on finding how to solve the problem. Okay, first I'm going to talk about some problems on Earth. First of all is the snow. In the Arctic and Antarctic, the snow there is always melting. The snow water will slowly drift down to the sea. Another one is for the glaciers. The glaciers have been melting every day, making every one drop of it makes a difference like this. It keeps getting taller, taller, and taller. The Earth's boost features in heat have been changing rapidly. From 5, go down to 3, go up to 7, go down to 2, go up to 5, go down to 4, go up to 5, go down to 3, all the way up to 9, all the way down to 4, all the way up to 6, all the way down to 3, all the way up to 4, all the way down to also 3, 4, 3, all the way up to 7, all the way down to 7 as well, because it's kind of like so small you can't even see the difference. All the way up to 11, down to 10, and then up to 13. It's been changing rapidly every day. Here are some things that we can do to help the Earth stop global warming. I'm going to draw some cracks in this factory. There, you see, and a wrecking ball here. Do you know what I mean by drawing a wrecking ball and cracks in the local factory? Well, I mean that we need to destroy factories that cause harm to us. We should not use motorcycles or cars, but we should use private buses or public buses, so that we could save the Earth. Now, I'm going to talk about the process of global warming. First of all, a factory produces a liter of a factory produces 1 liter of oil. It releases releases carbon dioxide and smoke. Second of all, the smoke and carbon dioxide get plunged in by trees, and when those trees get cut down, the carbon dioxide and oxygen inside the tree gets released. Make sure do not use too much trees. Do not cut down too much trees or too many trees. Thirdly, after the process of recarbonating, which is the carbon dioxide going out of the tree, we have our next step. Do you know what is it? The carbon dioxide that comes into the trees keeps going into other trees and being released after being cut, which creates recarbonating and releasing more and more carbon dioxide into the air. This creates greenhouse gases. So this is the sun's air, light. They go through one time, and then they cannot get out. This is from the inside. They rebound on the surface, but they cannot go out. You see? Now this is the ozone layer, okay? Ozone layer. And the sun is trying to make a hole in the ozone layer through the atmosphere layer and down to our Earth, which will burn everything. The hole will get bigger and bigger every time when this part of the Earth goes to face the sun. Okay, so that is the end of the process of recarbonating, 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 and of course, the process of global warming. So let's summarize everything we've said. First of all, snow has been melting. Snow water has been drifting down to the sea. Glaciers have been melting as well, which increases the level of sea water. Third of all is Earth's diameter of heat is changing rapidly. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Loads of stuff. Second of all, I've told you that you should not use motorbike, cars, buses, and you should use private buses, and public buses, which go brum brum. And of course, the process of carbonating. A factory produces a liter of oil and smoke is released. It goes into the tree gets cut. It goes into another tree, the other tree gets cut. It gets through the process before more and more carbon dioxide comes into the air, which creates greenhouse gases. And I've told you about the hole in the ozone layer in Antarctica. Okay, so that is the end of our lesson today. Hope you learned a lot about global warming, and see you next time with the next video on amazing science and physics.